Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Premium. Roblox Premium is a fantastic subscription service that enhances your gaming experience with exclusive benefits. As a premium member, you'll receive a monthly Robux allowance, perfect for buying new items or experiences. Plus, you get a generous 10% bonus on all Robux purchases, making your money go further. You'll also unlock special items, discounts, and access to premium-only games. One of the biggest perks of Roblox Premium is the Robux. You'll get a set amount of Robux deposited into your account every month, depending on your premium tier. On top of that, any Robux you purchase will automatically come with a 10% bonus, giving you more for your money. This extra Robux can be spent on anything from cool avatar items to game passes and exclusive experiences. Beyond Robux, Premium opens up a world of exclusive content. Many games offer special premium-only levels or features, giving you unique ways to play. You'll also find exclusive items and discounts in the avatar shop, allowing you to customize your avatar with rare gear. Furthermore, Premium members can trade items with other Premium subscribers, adding another layer of interaction and value to your membership. For creators, Roblox Premium offers a unique advantage through premium payouts. When premium members spend time in your game, you earn more Robux. These payouts are calculated based on the engagement time from premium subscribers, directly rewarding you for creating compelling experiences. This system encourages developers to build high-quality, engaging content, making Premium a win-win for both players and creators alike.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.